Hello there. In this quick episode, I am going to show you how to count visible rows in a filtered list in Excel. To follow along with me, you can download this workbook by clicking in the link in the video description to make a working copy of this workbook. In this sheet, I have around 1500 rows. That is, it shows 1501 because it also includes the header. So there are 1500 rows in this range. Now, if I go ahead and use the function called count A, this function will count everything which is non-blank in a given range. For example, I want to count everything in that given range which is not blank. It will bring me 1501. So I am kind of getting the correct value at this time. But look what happens when I apply a filter here. I will go into the data tab, apply a filter, and select a specific employment type, for example, full-time. Now it still says 1501. That's not correct, because if you look into the status bar here on the lower left, it says 232 of 1500 records found, which means this number is not updated based on the visible rows in a filtered list. So how do I count the visible rows in a filtered list? For that, I have a function called subtotal. I'm going to start typing in the subtotal in this cell here, equals subtotal. That's the function. The first argument that is required by this function is the function number. What kind of operation am I trying to perform here? Is it average, or is it a counting function, or a max, min, what? So in this case, I want to count all the non-blank values. So I will select the number 3 and press tab. It will insert that number there. Now the second argument. Second argument is the reference. Where should Excel look for those values? So I want Excel to look in the column D, and I will close the bracket. Now when I press enter, I will get the exact counter +1, because we are also counting the headers here. So if I press enter, you see we have 233 number, because it is only counting the visible rows in a filtered list. Now if I apply another filter, for example, I want people from, say, East only. You see that it says 37. Here it says 36, because let me just add -1 here just to be accurate. So it says 36. I'll do that same thing here also. So here you can see it says 36. On the lower left in the status bar, I have 36. Now if I go ahead and further filter this by, for example, Austria. So I have 2 records, 2 of 1500. There we go. So this is how we can use subtotal function to count visible rows in a filtered list in Excel. I request you to go ahead and practice as much as you can. The more you practice, the more you will retain. In the next episode, we will explore more dimensions of Excel. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel and click that little bell icon to enable notifications. Thank you and have a very lovely day.